Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tale. If this is the first time you are seeing any of our videos or visiting our channel, you are especially welcome to our family. Please do well to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you become a permanent member of this family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today's video is a very short video where I'm going to be sharing with you how to make gathers in less than 1 minute. Yes, if that's something you all will love to see, then let's go straight to this video. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make gathers using elastic band. I already cut out the fabric I'm going to be using to make this tutorial video. And you can see I have a straight line on the waistline where I'll be placing my elastic band. Now I'm going to measure elastic band of about 7 inches, which I'm going to be using to create the gather effect. I'm going to take this to the sewing machine and I'll place it on it like this and sew it all the way down.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever about you long gone, it don't matter. Tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away to you, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my sin.